Jeff told me that he was like supposed to start third. He's out of luck. Here we go. Go.
And we're green, green, green. Dan Vance looking to the inside, but he's going to slide back to third. It is Desautels in the lead.
Rhino!
I got some guy up here claiming he was last year's class champion. I think he was. Wyatt Layton. He's a legend in his own mind. Oh, man, talk about big up and over. A little too much speed going in there. And there's a few tires missing off that vehicle. So that's going to bring the yellows out.
Wow.
Our first victim.
They got to restart. I mean, it's good for us. That won't be
Well, they're going to get all their great safety crew from Lucas Oil over there. They're going to make sure the driver's okay. Of course, they have all the great safety items in these vehicles.